Hi, everyone, and welcome to WITT. My name is Louise Reed, and I am one of the fortunate instructors as part of this 3-series workshop program. I'm a best-selling author, executive coach for women, and teacher on leadership and remote work. I just wanted to take a moment to share with you some of the key things and key takeaways that you will get from the Master the Mechanics workshop, the first of the 3 workshops. We'll kick things off with a remote working readiness self-assessment. It's obvious and clear that not everyone is really set and built to work from home, so this will be a great tool to assess your readiness and willingness and ability to work from home. We will talk about time management, why it's important as a remote worker, why it's especially important as a remote worker, and some strategies that work. We'll talk about preparing your space for maximum productivity and well-being. So we're not just looking to work from home for a week, we're looking for you to prosper and thrive from a long-term point of view. And so this section of the workshop will cover that. And then finally, we'll talk about communication strategies to effectively connect with your manager and your team, which can pose some unique challenges as a remote worker. All that and a little bit more you will get from Master the Mechanics, and I look forward to seeing you online.